Hi there, I was gifted this massager to give an honest review, so let's get into it. I actually have been looking for one of these for a long time, so I'm really excited to get this in. This would also be a fantastic gift this season, so if you are looking for gifts and want to start stocking up on some items, this would be a good one. So this is how it comes. It's packaged great. Open and feel it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We've got our on button here on the back, and then charging port here. And then you've got the little massagers in here, and then this is like padded and cushioned like a pillow. So you could put it on your neck like this, you could put it on your back. So let me show you how I would use it and kind of tell you like the quality and everything. Okay, so this is it turned on. You can kind of see how it moves around. There's a couple different settings you can pick. So you could put this like behind you in an office chair. You could put this in bed, on a couch, recliner. So let me show you how I would use it. Okay, so I would literally, oh my God, that feels amazing. It's like a deep tissue massage. You can scoot up a little bit higher. Yeah, okay. See, you could just be like working on your laptop, getting some work done, watching the show, and just getting a full massage going. So I love this. I would definitely recommend this. And again, I think this would be a fantastic gift this holiday season. So anyways, I would definitely check them out and snag you one of these because I'm feeling that these are gonna become pretty popular.